Hello and welcome to this video called ChatGPT Explained, where I'm going to show you how it works, talk a little bit about it, and of course give you some ideas of what you can utilize when it comes to this. I love talking about AI related types of tools and software, and this is going to be something new that has grown very popular over the past month or so. But opening up a new tab over here, there's a good little excerpt when it comes to ChatGPT FAQ, and it's explained, talks about how it's free to use and how it works. So this is a big thing right here. I know it's a little technical, but I'm going to kind of show you how it works and non-tech it down for you. So ChatGPT is fine-tuned into GPT 3.5, a language model trained to produce text. Okay, so ideally, the end result is going to be giving you content. So if you ask a question, it can answer it for you in simplest terms, right? ChatGPT was optimized by dialogue by using reinforcement learning with human feedback, which is RLHF, a method that uses human demonstrations to guide the model toward desired behavior. So it's kind of like if you were calling up customer support, you ask a question, they can give you an answer, but it goes much deeper than that. So let's say something happened in life and you're not sure how you should respond, or you have a question, or you want to create some content for some specific question. What you can do is pretend you're talking to someone, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you're going to get the best response possible. As you can see, some examples here explain quantum computing in simple terms. Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? Capabilities. It says remembers what users said earlier in the conversation. That allows for much better content to be longer, allows users to provide follow-up corrections, and trained to decline inappropriate requests. Sorry, I won't be doing anything like that in these videos, but also with limitations, may occasionally generate incorrect information. This is something you need to keep in mind, and this is what I talk about using any type of AI software or tool. It's not always going to be 100% perfect, especially when you get into topics where you need to fact check and you need specific dates. You're going to have to do a little bit more than just asking it to give you a long answer and then expecting it to be 100%. It's usually not going to be that way. So it may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. And it says limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So who won the World Series in 2022? Probably not going to be too great at that, although it could. Okay, let me give you an example of something that we can do, and I'll show you. All right, so it took a little while to think of a topic, but off the top of my head, what's a good wedding gift to get someone who loves to cook? Okay, let's say you're going to a wedding, you want to get them a great gift. Let's find out right here. All right, so let's take a look at it. And of course, you can always do the thumbs up or thumbs down if you get something like unrelated or just isn't a match. So a good wedding gift for someone who loves to cook might be a high quality cooking tool or appliance, such as a stand mixer, a food processor, a blender, a slow cooker, a pressure cooker, a grill, a sous vide machine, sous vide? I don't think I've ever seen that word before. Anyway, if you want to comment down below and tell me I'm incorrect about the pronunciation, I probably am, let me know. Or a kitchen scale. You could also consider giving a cookbook, a cooking class, or a cooking course, a subscription to a food magazine, a kitchen gadget, or a set of high-quality cooking utensils or pots and pans. Another option might be to give the couple a gift card to a cooking store or a gourmet grocery store, or to put together a gift basket with a variety of cooking-related items. So that's going to be the idea when it comes to ChatGPT. Do you have a question that needs answered? Do you want some type of response? Do you want some more information? You're pretty much talking to this, and when you hit enter, as you saw, you're going to get a response. And depending on what you're looking for, you can get some great ideas, which I'll be doing plenty more videos in the future. But all in all, that's ChatGPT explained without a lot of the techno, babble. I know there's a lot of stuff going behind the scenes. I'm not big usually on that. I'm more about what's the simplest way of saying it. You have a question that needs answered. You want to get some content. Type it into ChatGPT and see what it gives you as a result. Thank you so much for watching. My name is James, and I'll see you in my next video.